video, I'm going to show you how to use the laundry machines on campus correctly and give you a few tips along the way. WASHPOINT have a handy online checker so you can see when machines are free and avoid unnecessary trips to the launderette. Just scan the QR code in the Launderette to check availability and even set an alert to be notified when your cycle is finished. Start by making sure you sort your washing to make sure you don't mix up your white and coloured clothes. Whoops, wrong pile. Now's also a good time to check your pockets to make sure there's nothing in them. Check the label on your clothes to make sure you choose the most suitable program and avoid damaging them. Washing at 30 degrees not only uses less energy, but your clothes will love it too and last longer. If you see this sign on your machine, then there's no need to add any detergent or fabric conditioner. The machine will add it for you. But if you see this sign on the machine, then you will need to add some directly into the drum before loading your clothes. Once you're happy with the cycle you want to select, make sure the drum is empty and put your washing in. But don't cram the drum full of your washing, otherwise it won't be able to circulate and wash properly. Fill it 3/4 full. If there's space to move your hand above your washing, you're all good. Make sure you close the door properly, otherwise the cycle won't start. Make sure you pick the right cycle for your clothes. Payment couldn't be easier. Pay with your phone, debit or credit card. And it's time to press start. Don't forget, you can track the status of your wash. And it's all done. All clean, now it's time to dry them. Have a quick check of your labels again, as some of your clothes may not be suitable for tumble drying. Check the drum of the machine to make sure that nothing has been left by the previous person. And clean the dryer lint filter too. This keeps the machine working as it should and saves on energy use too. You can now load the drum, but only load the machine up to 3/4 full. If you put too much in, your washing won't dry properly. Select your temperature. Like before, you now need to pay with your phone, debit or credit card. And press start. It's as simple as that. For more resources, to report a fault or request a refund, visit the WASHPOINT website by scanning the QR code available in the Launderette.